best luxury convertibles for 2024 Porsche Boxster. As 2024 dawns, the luxury convertible market is brimming with excitement, and the 2024 Porsche Boxster is making a significant impression. Celebrated for its exceptional blend of performance, design, and advanced technology, the latest Boxster continues to uphold Porsche's legacy of excellence and driving pleasure. The 2024 Porsche Boxster offers a range of powerful engine options tailored to different driving preferences. The base model, the Boxster, is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-4 engine that produces 300 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, the Boxster S features a turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, delivering 350 horsepower and 309 lb-ft of torque. At the top of the range, the Boxster GTS 4.0 is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-6 engine, churning out a thrilling 394 horsepower and 309 lb-ft of torque. All models come with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with a 7-speed dual-clutch PDK automatic transmission available for those who prefer seamless and rapid gear changes. Performance and handling are the core strengths of the 2024 Porsche Boxster. Its mid-engine layout provides exceptional balance and agility, while the sport-tuned suspension ensures a smooth yet responsive ride. The car's precise steering and powerful braking system further enhance its driving dynamics, making it a joy to navigate both city streets and winding country roads. The available Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) system adapts the suspension settings to suit various driving conditions, ensuring optimal comfort and performance. The design of the 2024 Porsche Boxster is both timeless and contemporary. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines, muscular stance, and distinctive front fascia give it a commanding presence on the road. The convertible's soft top can be lowered in just 10 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, allowing drivers to enjoy the open air with ease. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring premium materials, supportive seats, and a driver-focused layout. The high-quality leather upholstery and customizable ambient lighting add to the Boxster's sophisticated appeal. Technology and connectivity are key features of the 2024 Boxster. The Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system, with its intuitive 10.9-inch touchscreen, offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available Bose or Burmester sound systems provide an immersive audio experience. Safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and front and rear parking sensors ensure that drivers and passengers remain safe and secure. The 2024 Porsche Boxster faces competition from other luxury convertibles like the BMW Z4, Audi TT Roadster, and Mercedes-Benz SLC. The BMW Z4 offers a perfect blend of performance and luxury, the Audi TT Roadster combines sporty performance with advanced design, and the Mercedes-Benz SLC provides elegance and dynamic driving. In conclusion, the 2024 Porsche Boxster stands out in the luxury convertible segment with its blend of performance, style, and advanced technology. Whether for spirited drives or relaxed cruises, the Boxster delivers an unparalleled open-air driving experience. As Porsche continues to refine its iconic model, the 2024 Boxster remains a top choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and performance.